Welcome to a Disney room tour from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to the Art of Animation Value Resort to check out the Cars Family Suites. These suites feature a main bedroom with an attached bathroom, a kitchen table which converts into a pull-down queen bed, and a pull-out sleeper sofa. This goes along with a kitchenette area featuring a mini-sized fridge, microwave, and coffee maker. The family suites at Art of Animation also feature two bathrooms. Again, one in the main bedroom and one in the main living area. Each of the suites is 565 square feet, and as you can see, the theming takes you right into Radiator Springs from Pixar's Cars. Art of Animation also features two other family suite themed areas, one featuring The Lion King and the other featuring Finding Nemo. You can also find standard rooms at Art of Animation with a theme from The Little Mermaid. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguide.com.